Hi. To read and write data in R, there are of course many R functions and packages that have been developed to read in all kinds of datasets. And you may need to resort to one of these packages and functions if you are working in a specific area. In this video, I will be mainly working on files, on CSV files, TSV files, online files, and Excel sheets. The easiest way to call or to read data is to use the base package. Using the function read.csv for CSV files. I've already prepared this CSV file. You need to check that your files are in your working directory. If not, you need to give the path to R to read your documents. So this is my data1, my first variable containing 21 observations and 6 variables. This is my file, my CSV data file. If I don't remember the name of my file, I can use file.choose CSV. It's going to open a small window where I can choose my file and call it to open. This is my data2 variable. Now, to read data from a website, online data, I can use the read.theme. In this case, it's a txt file. I've already prepared the URL. This is a txt file. And read.theme allows me to read txt files. There's another way to call the packages, to read the packages in a faster way using a library called Reader. I've already installed this package. I will load it and I will start using this package. To use this package, you replace the point by underscore and you use the same format, read_CSV. I will call one more time my CSV file. Here we go, and I have some specifications here about my document. Same here, if I don't know the name of my file, I can use file.choose. I can also add my data, which means I'm asking R to show me the first 6 rows of my data. If I have a txt files, I can use the function read_tsv. So here I'm reading a txt files using the read_tsv. Now to read data from Excel, there are many packages. I will use the read_xl and I can use the function read_xlsx and I will read my Excel file. So this is my data, head data 6, and these are the first 6 lines of my data. I can also specify the sheets of my data using the name. There's also another function that I can use with this package, which is read_xl. And my file is, I need to specify my file, my data.xlsx. And I will give the name of my sheet. It is data1. I can also give the number of the sheet. We could have many sheets in the Excel file, so I can call the first sheet. And here we go. Now, if you want to know the arguments of any function, like this one I've been using right now, you can use the args function to know what are the types of arguments that I can use in this function. Like here I need the path, the sheet. By default it's null, the range, if I can choose the column names, the column types, etc. I can also skip some lines from the document. I can skip the first line or many lines as I want. And here to specify the first line, I need to use an integer number. So head data 7, I will get the data without the first row. Here I have the first row with the name of the columns. In this case, I don't have the name of the columns. So this was about reading data in R. So reading data in R. Now let's start writing data in R. There are many functions that we can use to write data. For example, write.table, data 1, and I specify the file, the name of the file, for example, my underscore data, and it is a CSV file. I can define also the separator. So if you go to your working directory, you will find this data1 file, which is a CSV file. Now let's write also the write.csv data1 file equal data2.csv. So this is another function. I can one more time using the fast writing of data using the library reader. So this is fast writing of data. One more time to use the library reader, I replace the point by the underscore. Let's check here for a CSV file. We have the data4. So I want to write the data4 and the path is gonna be data4.csv. I have a warning message, but he already created the file and it is now in my working directory. I can write using write_tsv a txt file. In this case, let's take the data7. This is gonna be data7.txt. I also have a warning message, but it's not an error. He created already the document. To save an object in our data format, to do so, I will use the function save. Let's take data1, and the file will be data.rdata. This is the extension. So possible to save multiple objects in this same function. Save data1 and data2 in a same file, which I will call data1.12.rdata. Now to load the data again, I can use the function load. So data.rdata. Now to save your entire workspace, it is possible using this save.image, and I can give it a name in the file argument, my workspace. It's a NAR data document. I can also save a history, my .r history, and load this history using load history function. My .r history. Thank you.